used to doing this with gloves because I have to do the other hive with gloves. My adopted hive of bad babies, they actually weren't terrible when I worked them last, but I'm definitely gonna have to get used to functioning with gloves, so I might as well do it in a low stress environment with my sweet bees. Not that I'm worried about them, but
You want water? Come on. Yeah, you get some water. Everybody get some water. Yeah, everybody can have some water.
oh, this is actually going. Yeah, it is. Okay. All right.
Oh, hi, lady. Hi. Here I come, sweetheart. Here I come. Hi. Hi, gorgeous ladies. Hello. Yeah.
I swear I cannot see. It's actually smoking. Oh. Barely an ember. I'm gonna give it another torque. Yeah, ooh, there we go. Oh, it's working now, man. Okay. All right, there we go. Sorry, girls. Oh no, so annoying. Terrible. So terrible. So smoky. So smoky. It's called secondhand smoke. I'm against it. Oh.
Hi, babes. Hi. Hello. Oh, you have such beautiful pollen on you. Oh, look at you're so gorgeous. Bye.
Alright, so 7th frame, nothing. 6th frame, wax, but that's the wax I painted on there. So, pretty much to be expected. Again, not much happening. There's bees on these frames, but so gorgeous. Check for some eggs, and I don't see any. I just see pollen and nectar. And just beginning to build out the comb on this side. Oh my goodness. This is so beautiful. All the colors of pollen that are in here. It is amazing to see reds, yellows, oranges, that bright orange, the bright red. It's so beautiful. They're doing a good job working that comb out. What do we have going on down here, ladies? What's going on? Guess I could have checked the bottoms of the other ones too to see if I need to take off any burr comb off the bottom. This is gorgeous, man. Oh, love it. So beautiful. Oh yeah, putting it in or taking it out? What are you ladies doing there, huh? What are you doing? Man. Fantastic. Yeah, I gotta get a J hook. I feel like this is not the tool. Not that this will feel much different, but in general, I think the J hook is going to be a better option for me. Wow, yo girls are so beautiful. Maybe I better check the bottoms of these too. No, they're okay. Oh wow, you have so much pollen. Woo! Gorgeous. Oh, you have that red pollen on you. Oh, it's so amazing. Gotta know. Wow, yeah, it feels stuck at the bottom of this frame again. Yeah, some action down low. Let's see what we have happening here. Pollen, nectar, eggs, 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 eggs. Yeah. Little new eggs. I wonder if the queen is on this frame. Where are you, Mama? Well, Mama, where are you? Are you here? I don't see you. I don't see you. Lots of pollen and nectar in the corner. Oh, too sticky, so maybe it was stuck to the other frame next to it on the bottom. Let's see, what are we seeing on this one? Whoa, yeah. So many eggs. Oh, holy. Wait up. What? Oh, man. You guys know what you do. Yes, you do. Mama, see, are you over here? Are you? Well, new baby nurse. Look like they're rolling around. She's so sweet. No sign of the queen yet. There's a lot of eggs on this frame, though. So eggs on 1.5 frames so far. Oh yeah, you guys are stuck together.
Ladies, happy ladies. Ladies.
Yeah, there we go. Hey, be on this frame. Or down below. I mean, there's 2 whole hive boxes for her to be hiding on. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do some cleanup. Oh my goodness, what a frame! What a frame! Wow, this frame is heavy. Wow. Oh, larva. Beautiful larva. Cap, brood. Wow, this is a beautiful frame. Gently. I need to get a better handle on this. It's very heavy. Okay, not see the queen. Yeah, lots of stuff happening on the bottom though. Oh, yes. My gosh. Oh, beautiful. Big fat juicy larva. Cap brood. Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow, you ladies are amazing. Oh my goodness. Amazing. Okay. I don't want to be down on the bottom, but I'm alright. This started to turn the world upside down. Sorry, girl. I knocked you down. I'm sorry. Sorry, Hunter. What we got going though. First off, this part, no, it's just no queen cells or anything. Oh yeah, you were put some honey down in there. You were you? Oh, hi. Hi, baby. Oh, gonna have to retrieve those. Okay, you feel better about that? Okay. Wow, so beautiful. So impressed. All right, this. I'm like, which side was which? Which side was which? Yeah, okay, I think that this side was the forward side. Okay. All right, sweet things. Man, you know what to do. You're doing such a great job. Okay, watch your little legs, darling. Oh, good. There we go.
Lying by the feeder, you still have some food. And
You're getting food. I know you are. You're not having any shortage of yummy nectar out there. Thank goodness we've been having some sun still going on. Okay. Oh, eggs and new larvae. Capped honey. Beautiful. Pollen, nectar, lots of bee bread. I feel like I wouldn't be surprised if I saw a queen laying right around here. Oh yeah, that's exactly what it needed. The sun to come out and show me what's up. Perfect. Oh my gosh, those tiny little, there's an egg right next to it. Tiny little larva. Oh! Yes. Alright. Queen Mama, are you on this frame? Should be holding it over the hive if you are. You're not seeing it yet. You're on the other side. Wow. You guys look like you're super happy. Wow. I don't see the queen on there. Let's take a good look at this side. Eggs, new larvae, maturing larvae. Mmm. Damn, you guys are beautiful. Wow. My mama, are you in here? I know I don't need to see her. I can see eggs, so I can feel confident that she's present. This hive seems queen right and super happy. Super happy about life. Wow. Yes, you guys are so happy about it. I feel like I might. Let's move you right there. There we go. Okay. I feel like it would not be a bad thing to put this empty frame right up against the feeder.
oh, hi, baby. Hi. Hi, sweet thing.
Aunt, I swear, get out of there. Stick my girls on ya. Oh. So, I don't feel like she's up there. But maybe. Alright. Excuse me, girls. That's right where you want to be. I don't want to grab on you. Okay. See if I can. Oh, wow. I wish I could get a really great image of that bright red. Bright red pollen. So gorgeous. Unbelievable. Alright, beautiful girls. I'm gonna hide the queen down here, huh? Maybe? Let's see what we have. I knew I could feel some sticky stuff happening down here. Yep. see, it could be a drone cell, but it's at the top, not at the bottom. So, okay. Oh, rough. Sorry, not as gentle as I want to be. Spread you guys apart here. Just some. Couple is happening here. All right. Wow, wow, that's amazing. So dark. Okay. Hey, girl. Let's get you out of there. I don't want to accidentally step on you, girl. Bye. Yeah. Man, I wish that they made gloves the size of my actual fingers. Ooh. Oh, that's going to be a frame of honey. Yeah, that's great. Okay. Seems like the perfect place for that. Seems like you guys know what you're doing. Now, let's see what's happening here. Building it out a little bit. Okay, nothing on this side. Building that out. Okay. Some bumpity bumps on this one. Round. Oh, that right there. Okay, these are some queen cells. Yep, certain about it. Okay. So, let's see what's going on this side. Okay, brood pattern in the middle. They're not even fully built out yet. Nice brood pattern in there. All right. Now, pretty sure they're feeling confident and happy and healthy and raring to go, because we've got some queen cells happening down here, and I am not going to do a thing about them just yet. I cannot tell. It doesn't look like there's anything in that. No, maybe there is in this one. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that I can see. And drone cells. I feel like there is potentially a larva in this one closest to my thumb. I have no idea how to, like, where I need to be to focus it in on this, but we've got some queen cup action for down there. And where's the other one? Up here, and one right there, maybe two. Nope, that's a drone right here. That's a queen cup right there. Also looks empty. Empty. Potentially Oh, goodness. I wish I could just take my glasses off and get like a really clear close-up look, and I can't get it far enough away to like see. Not sure. This also is a different looking one. Like they might be choosing a larva to put queen cell around, or it's gonna be a drone and they're like, yeah, it's gonna be a drone cell. Okay, but it's not capped yet. Do you have varroa in there? Probably. Oh, okay. Okay, well those are the only ones that I see. I would not be sad if we needed a queen cell and we had some. That wouldn't be terrible. So, okay. Interesting frame there. This one had crazy comb on it and was kind of continuing to be a little crazy, but they kind of built it out in the back. But they knew what they were doing. They were like, nah, we gotta do something awesome with this one. Yeah. We got special plans for it. They did. So that's frame 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Frame. Frame. Fabulous. And exciting. This one might have a drone cell or a queen cell on it, I can't tell. But it's up at the top, so big fat plug fingers in there. Oh, okay. Okay, that's a queen cell over there. Still not sure that's not a drone. That's a drone cell. Don't worry, ladies. I'm not trying to pee you off. Not trying to make you mad. Yeah, some drones sporadically placed along the top. Like, kind of would have expected to see some more backfilling on this, but maybe we just had a huge breakout because there were loads of bees doing an orientation flight, being like, we're orientating. So maybe that's what's going on, and we just have yet to come back through and lay through here. Same on this side, like lots open. Drones still hanging out, waiting. Okay, so this right here is a queen cup getting built right there. Empty. Some drones up here, but mostly this is all cells that bees eclosed from pretty recently, because oh no, I do see eggs relayed back through here, so some backfilling is happening. Yes. Okay. Yep. All right. How was this frame? This way? I don't want to put it in backwards. Don't want to get anybody confused. Nobody needs to be getting confused.
Hi, baby bee. Hi. Did you come out of one of those cells? You sweet, sweet thing. Hi. Oh, you're such a sweetheart.
Get on down there, girls. Get on down there. Got brood. Drones. Larva, eggs. Man, this queen knows what's up. Yeah, girl. Yeah, girl. You know what's up, baby. You do. That looks like a really big drone cell. I mean, how big is a drone cell? That one almost looks like the peanut size. Man, that pollen is insanity. It's so beautiful. No queen sighting yet. Not right-handed, actually, so going a little awkward. Got fur comb off of you. There we go. Alright. I really want to get a better look at this over here. So, this one right here. That one looks awfully peanut-like. That one right there. I mean, it's like not down, but that one looks pretty peanut-like versus pretty drone-like. So I wonder if that could be a new queen. Hope it's in the image right there clearly. This one looks a little peanutty too, but it could just be a drone. But that one's significant. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna. Advice on that one, because these ones, I mean, these are drones. This right here, these are drone cells, and these ones look very different than those ones. So, toot toot, what? Quack? Do I hear you? Fourth frame seems like an actual queen cell. So that's hey, get on out of there, girl. Get on out, lady. Got some drone brood down there. Nice frame of cap brood. Cute. All right. Oh, same. Same. Boy, you gotta know how to make more bees, man. Yes, you do. Okay. Drone brood down there. Oh, yeah. Nothing wild going on that on the back of that. Yeah, you want your drones down there? I'm fine with it. I'm gonna just be careful with your frame then. We'll let you get down below. We won't be pulling you in or putting you in with skinny side frames next to you. How about that? I'll just respect the way you got it going on. Wow. Okay. I think this frame is going to be heavy. I can already tell. And man, it is. Well relaxed. Oh, are you guys hanging on to each other? Hi. Hi. Okay. Sorry. Didn't mean to put you off there. So, brood that's hatched. Nut cells. Some broods still have to come out. Honey in the corner. Let's get a bottom look here. Cap brood. Looks like you could be laying through here. Maybe if you wanted to be, you could be. Cap brood. Cleaning out brood cells for the next go around. All of this wax is getting so beautiful. Oh, hey, queen cup. Queen cup getting built on the bottom over there. Okay. I'm not seeing the queen, and for some reason I feel like she could actually be right in here. I don't know. There's a lot of dense activity right here. Maybe that is new eggs already. Maybe that's a new egg. Huh. Okay, well, definitely saw a queen cup right there. Oh, sorry, Cinder. Gosh, whoa, get right under my foot there, neighbor cat. Yeah, okay, so queen cup appears to be empty. Okay, get a good look there. Some drones right alongside of it. Okay. Which makes sense because it kind of butts right up against where that, lower action is on the frame we just looked at. goodness, we look like we are stuck to the wall. Oh boy. Okay. Wow, okay, sorry everybody. Yeah, we are stuck to the wall. You don't like it?
It makes you so angry. I'm sorry. Messing your plans up?
I know it. Yeah, whoa, hey. Wow, I'm so sorry I had to do that to the beautiful work. You wanted it like that. I'm so sorry, those beautiful cells. We were gonna fill them with honey. Well, you can still. And over here, you're building it out. Okay, I think we're going to let's do a situation like this. I don't want you guys to keep throwing that side cray, so let's keep building this side out real nice. Okay. Keep building this side out really nice. I guess I better pluck that out of there. And this. Wow. Wait. We're really sticking it down good. Were. And I think I'll put this guy over here. This one has honey frame, so we'll just put it. I wonder if I should put it on the outside. I think I will. So that they'll be like, hey, our plan was to put honey in there, and look, it's working beautifully. We don't even have to connect it to the wall. There we go. You don't have to connect it to the wall. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 8. Okay. Tell them we're clean, right? Things are looking beautiful. Little bird home, nothing awful. Hard to convince you to go down? You like the sun? Yeah? You happy with it? Okay. Well, alright.
You guys back on top.
Oh, this beautiful, beautiful bee. Oh, I know you want to take that pollen straight to where you're trying to take it to. I want to show you off because it's so beautiful. Can't. No. Saw you trying to drag a bee away earlier. I don't like it. feeling so much less tentative, so much more confident with my actions and maneuvers and how, yeah, I just saw another ant. Oh, love those guys trying to eat the beans. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, well, so that's interesting with the queen cups. Have some little tiny little beetle things on me. Okay. Some fur comb that needed to get mitigated. Not too much honey in it, just mostly just wax. So I think I'll throw that in my pocket. I'm gonna go do the inspection on those bad bitch bees. Which I don't think they're bad bitch bees. I think they just need an attitude adjustment. But I love them already. All right, have my other smoker loaded up for the other hive inspection. Not at this property. I don't want to be walking out of my door and getting stung up. So halfway house, I'm gonna have to drive on over there. These ladies are doing great. Pretty pleased with everything I'm seeing. I'm gonna be curious to hear about the closed peanut cells. This guy's like pretty curious about me. Not like aggressive, but paying attention to me. And be watching those queen cups. Because I'm gonna go and see today about the other hive. What I'm hoping to find with the other hive is all the queen cups that I can from the frames of the previous queen, so that I can, get rid of those. And hopefully on the donor egg frame that I put in from my hive last week, hopefully we'll see the beginnings of some queen cells on that donor frame from these sweetie bees. Because in a perfect world, that is what would happen. But in case it's not a perfect world, seeing that there's some queen cups and seeing that there's like an actual like peanut shaped queen looking cell already in there, that makes me curious, because I've never done like moving a queen from one hive to another, but if it needed to be done, it maybe could be done. So that would be fascinating. Anyway, it's nice to have some thought options, even if they're not real options. All right, I'm gonna head over, do the other inspection now. Love you, girls. Mwah! You're beautiful.